Oh my god, man, it's hot out here today, man. It's like that, it's that real like humid hot too, like the wind blowing crazy. It's just hot today, man. But good afternoon, y'all. What's going on? Hope everybody enjoying their day. I am enjoying my day. Today has been like one of the nicest days this whole summer, like. But you know me, I'm not too much of a heat person, but anyway, we're gonna get right to the video. I got something nice for y'all today, man. 2017. I feel like they were more stylish for like the older people, or my bad, let me say them old pimps. Old pimps, y'all know, man, them little short dudes with the wearing the little jackets, the old pimps, man. This is more for them. But now they revamped their whole lineup, and it's more for the younger crowd. But this one right here, I still think got that pimpish type look to it. But what I got for y'all today, man, 2017 XF. This is the 335 35T. So this has the supercharged motor and a couple other little goodies going on. But first thing we're gonna start with is these wheels. Wheels are decent, you know, just some, I think these like kind of like base model type wheels. I don't really like them too much, but I do love that red Jaguar badge. That badge is just crazy. I love the badge. The one on the front is the main one I like. Just stand out like that big old Jaguar badge right there. Boom. But the wheels are decent. I would say probably average wheels, nothing too crazy about them. You got this nice little fish gill right here, as tall guy would say. It is not functional, it's fake, ain't no real holes in there. But it do say Jaguar right here, just to let you know what this is. You got the mirrors, you standard paint color with the turn signals on the side. This one does have the keyless entry. I have the key in the car as well. Another thing, look at the sunroof. I love when the whole glass come off. I like that. It's like when the whole, you know, the scalp come peeled off. I love that part right there. The other ones are cool too, when the sunroof just go back into the actual roof, but I like when the glass actually comes off. That glass, it just lets you know you're on a whole nother level, you know? Like you ain't got no basic car. But boom, we're gonna jump around to the back. Jaguar right there, letting y'all know what this is. Nothing to be played with. It's 35T and it's all-wheel drive. Forgot to mention that's the all-wheel drive too. So the XF. So here we got the back. Just two dual pipes right there. They kind of like centered towards, not towards the middle. Unlike other cars where the pipes are towards the end of the bumpers, these ones are more like in the middle of the bumper, which is cool. You know, nothing too, you know, I don't really care too much for it. It looks nice. It also comes with the, you see the backup sensors and all that good stuff. So this, but you know, that's full understanding. This is a Jaguar, so you're gonna get all the full features. You're gonna get all the tech and everything in it because it's a Jaguar. It's gonna be fully loaded, no matter, even this being like a base model or whatever model this is, it's still gonna come loaded because it's a Jaguar. You gotta understand, with them foreign cars, even with the low base model, you're still gonna get some goodies in here just because. But you know, that's just a quick one for the outside. There's not too much going on the outside. Like this is more, like I said, it's for them old pimps. Shout out to them old pimps, man. It's more of like a classy look, so it's nothing crazy going on the outside. But let's pop the hood. We're gonna look up underneath the hood real quick. It's the front is aggressive and giving that classy look at the same time. I don't care too much for these big chrome pieces here. Y'all know I don't really like chrome too much. Chrome here too. But the badge, oh yeah, it's the +1 on the badge, man. I love the badge. But let's go ahead and pop this open. Now this is, you got me. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all like I know, cause I don't know what size motor this is. All I know is 340 horsepower, and that's cause Google told me. Man, Google know everything, man. So if it's something you lost about, go on Google, man. I'm telling you. But supercharged motor, 340 horsepower, all-wheel drive. So it's quick. That's pretty much it. Like, I don't know too much about this car. I just seen it. I'm like, you know what? Let me take that out. Something different. Something I ain't never drove. Something I ain't never even thought about researching, looking up. But for the most part, the outside I like so far. Nothing too, like I said, it's pretty much like one of them classic cars, so ain't nothing too crazy about it going on. So let's check the trunk. You know, you got your obviously this again, it's a Jaguar, so you're gonna get the real nice premium stuff. You got the match Jaguar mats on there, and then you got the cloth ones as well underneath there. And again, it's a Jaguar, so you're getting that premium stuff. You're getting the premium features, premium items and all that. So you get a organizer with the Jaguar back, with the Jaguar logo on the back. Love it, like it. You know, you got 3 little spots in there to organize stuff in there. And I don't know if that comes standard or whoever bought the car, the first owner of the car, added it in. Let's hop inside real quick. Show y'all this. Now, premium leathers, everything nice and soft, smooth. I give that 100%. The car is nice. It looks good. Everything's like organized very well. But let's start off with this door on. You got the chocolate wrapped leather piece up here, and then you got the beige down here. More of a cream. I like this. I like it, honestly. It's not bad. It's got that cream. It's real soft too. You got the lock, unlock buttons, and then I don't know if these are automatic up and down windows. I haven't tried, but the mirrors do fold in. You got a nice little trim piece right here, chrome door handle. I'm not a fan of the chrome. You got the Jaguar sign right here, which is a nice addition to any car. So any car that has the nice little side sill with the logo on it with the name, that's nice. I think that's a nice touch. All cars should have that. So let's go ahead and jump in here. First thing you see when you get in, steering wheel. I love the steering wheel. One Jaguar I did search is the F-Type, and this remind me, this look just like the steering wheel from the F-Type. So I like this steering wheel. It looks nice. I like when the middle piece where the horn isn't like so bulky and big. This one's small. It's not popping out of the steering wheel how most cars have it. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, a little brown, a deep chocolate color. It just flows with the beige as well too. So this same trim piece here goes all the way across the whole car, all the way across the dash onto the other side, and it's also in the rear doors. One thing I thought was cool when I turned the car on, look at that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all. So foot on the brake, push button. That's dope, and that's so clean. Like, you'll never know if you really didn't pay attention to it. You'll never know this open. It just looks like a cutout. So I think that's cool. That reminds me of them old screens that used to pop up from inside the dash. That's what it reminds me of. I like that. That's a cool feature. So again, we're gonna touch on this dash. The dash is outdated for a 2017 with the full analog, with the big analogs like that. I don't really care too much for it. The numbers are just like plain. They don't got no, like, you know, like if I was to make a car and I had to put like the different fonts, I'm gonna make the font like with some flavor. You know, ain't no flavor in there. They just look plain and stale. You gotta when you make cars, man, you gotta put some flavor in it. You gotta put some style in it. It just look dry, you know. But again, it's like I said, that goes for that classy car. You know, you don't want to be overdoing it. It's just for that businessman in the suit, you know, carrying his briefcase every day. This is for that man, you know. So this ain't for me. I like them sweatpants with the Nikes on, like the Hellcats, anything like that, anything raw, loud, with mad power. This isn't for that guy, but it's still nice overall. But you got a nice little Jaguar emblem down there, just nice little touches like that make it look good. There's 2 speakers up there, one on the left, one on the right side. Now with that roof, love the roof, man. That's clean. Love and it's crazy because I've never owned a car with a sunroof just because I haven't cared for it. But since I've started my YouTube, I've been driving mad different cars with sunroofs. Now, like in my next car, like I gotta have a sunroof. There's no option. Like I gotta have one. But let's jump right to the screen. So I'm gonna close the door. Let's jump right to the screen. Oh, that's one thing I don't like. It take mad long to start up. There's nothing crazy going on with this infotainment system. It's real simple. For the most part, it's nice, but it reminds me of the old Microsoft phones, the old Microsoft phones, everything that's got like that square block and you just scroll down. And I don't know if who remember those, but this is what this remind me of. So it's simple though, nice and easy. Home button gets you home, settings button obviously. This is a parking feature button, and then this is the camera, so you can see the rear camera. And then this is how you change the modes from your radio to your aux cord. And then if you got like a Bluetooth setup, you just hit that button. I don't know what this is calling. Oh, it's a call button if you got a phone connector. And then this is for maps. You just touch the screen, shows the map. The map looks decent. Better than most maps I've seen in other cars. The letters and numbers are crispy. You can actually see them. This does. Now I'm trying to figure out if this has heated and okay, so it has heated seats, no cool seats though. So just heated, no cool. I like this right here. This nice flat glossy finish right here with the little dial. Now if you're new to my channel, you know I got a Chrysler 2015 Chrysler 200, and it has the dial, which I love. I love the dial. Simple, easy, and it looks nice, and it's different too. And, you know, most people still like the little gear shifter, but I actually like the dials. A lot of people don't like the dials, which is you know, just personal preference, honestly. So I like the dial though. The dial in this one is real smooth too, and it's got a nice gloss finish on the top, and it has nice ridges around the dial just for nice gripping, so you never this is positioned in a better spot in my opinion than my car, just because the one in my car is close to the knee. Sometimes you can hit the dial and it'll turn and it changes into different gears, but this one's placed real nice right in the middle console where everything else is. Everything is. And again, if you watch my Nissan Maxima review, I love how this is set up because everything is in that arm reach. So if you're driving, everything right here on your right hand is in the arm's reach. You don't have to move too much to reach to anything, which is good. You got some storage space right here. Oh, this is the key fob. The key fob dope. I love the key fob. Most cars you get a real boring, simple key fob, but this is nice just because of how it looks. Jaguar on there. It's a nice thick little key fob. It has the lock, unlock, and then this is for, I don't know what that did, but it made the car beep. But trunk button, and this lights. Obviously this is the lights button, but I'm assuming it just flashes the lights. I don't know. And then panic button. Now for drive modes, you got dynamic, you got normal, you got eco, and then you got snow. This is that auto. This is the auto auto start on off button. I hate that button, gotta leave that off. Now in here you got some storage, nothing crazy, just a little bit of room. Got a USB port here, you got an aux cord and a 12-volt cigarette lighter in there. Down here you got some more storage room, nothing too crazy. Manual book for the car, and look, even the manual book got that nice Jaguar on there. It's something about this symbol. Even though the newer cars are nicer and these ones are a little bit, you know, outdated, it's something about this symbol. The symbol's nice. I like that fact that, you know, it's just that animal. That animal is vicious. When you hear Jaguar, you know that you know it's something serious, because the animal itself is just vicious. So there's no reason to hate Jaguar. You know, it's real. The seat's real comfortable. The leathers are soft. I mean, ain't nothing really I got bad to say about it. Now, the one thing I don't like about this is, for as big as this car is, y'all see me walking around, for as big as this car is, it feels tight in here. That's the only bad thing I would say about it. This car is long and it's big, it's chunky, but in the inside it's tight. So that's one thing I don't like. I'm short, I'm super short, and the roof isn't too much higher than where my head, from my head. Literally from my door to that door, it's just like, it just looks tight. That's the only thing I would say about it. I'm gonna jump in the back, give y'all a quick back review, and then we're gonna go on a drive back to the dealership. Now again, with the back, same thing on this door. It got the trim pieces. You got the chrome bar here, the chrome door handle. You got some storage room in there. Close that. So I'm gonna be honest, it feels more comfortable back here than it does in the front because it doesn't feel tight back here, even though the seat's back. I still got some room. It looks like the rear seats are heated. Yep, yes they are. Both seats are heated. And then you got two 12-volt outlets to charge your phone or whatever else you need it for. But that's pretty much it for the back. You got the armrest here, 2 cup holders in there. This does not open to the trunk. But again, the seats, super comfortable. I like the seats. These seats are definitely comfortable. They're soft and squishy. The leather on it is good. But let's take this quick drive, y'all. Back to the dealership. All right, so we're gonna take a quick drive just back to the dealership. Open that off all the way. Get that sun in. But now I like the stock sound of this car. It has a nice little growl to it. And it will, man. You give it a little gas, it will move. Oh yeah. Yo, I definitely might have to check out a F-Type because I like this by itself, and it's a 4-door car. It's pretty big and heavy. I ain't gonna go too crazy, man. I'm in a nice suburban area. I don't want no problem. Let's see how I take this corner. Crazy part is I'm not even revving it all the way down as far as it can go. You know, I'm shifting early at 4 RPM, 5. It can go to 7, which is crazy. I mean, all around I like this. It's a big boy, but it's also got power. I let the classic look fool me because it's definitely got some power. So we back at the dealer, as y'all can see. If you like this video, man, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on no videos. Click the bell. This is definitely a nice little ride for me today because I wasn't expecting this car to perform the way it did. I mean, overall, I like it. Appreciate you again to my guy, man. My guy Shane at Marina Dodge. Let me review this today. He goes, that's a lot of car for you, man. I'm like, man, I drive anything, man. Ain't nothing too much for me. If I could get my hands on the yacht, I'd do a review on it if I could. Alright though, but that's it, man. That's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this Jaguar XF. Appreciate y'all for the support, man. I'm out. Peace.